Welcome back, students. We were just discussing chapter number 5, that is computer mouse, isn't it? Okay. So, let me first discuss that what are the things I have taught you before. I have taught you about the mouse. I have told you that mouse is an input device, isn't it? Mouse has two buttons. On the left it has left mouse button, and on the right it has right mouse button. Okay, and in the middle one wheel is there. That wheel is known as what? Scroll wheel. Okay, scroll wheel is used to move the page up and down. Clear? Now, next I have taught you about the uses of mouse, isn't it? I have told you that mouse can be used for drawing pictures, to point or select any items on the screen, and the third thing, you can play games also with the help of mouse. Okay, and also I have taught you in that class about how to hold a mouse and how to move the mouse. Okay, I have told you that we have to keep our index finger on the left mouse button and this middle finger on the right mouse button, and we have to keep our palm on the mouse, and we have, like this way we can move the mouse. Okay, these all things we have studied in the previous class, isn't it? Okay, now today we will start from mouse buttons. Okay, we will start from mouse buttons. How many types of mouse buttons are there? Okay, so we will start with mouse buttons. Okay, so the first is clicking. What is clicking? Okay, so pressing the left mouse button once is called clicking. This one I have told you before, that when you press the left mouse button once, okay, this is known as what? This is known as clicking. Okay, yes. Next one is double click. Okay, double click is what? It means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly. Means when you press the left mouse button, okay, and you're just pressing it twice, means two times, and you're doing it quickly. Okay, this is known as what? Double click. Clear? Next. Now next one is right click. So what happens in right click? Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once is called right click. Means suppose you are holding the mouse like this. Okay, when you press and release the right mouse button, means this one, this middle one, okay, middle finger button. So when you press the right mouse button and release it once, this is known as what? Right click. Okay, next. Now scroll wheel. I have told you before that the wheel that is present on the left, between the left mouse button and the right mouse button, that wheel is known as what? Scroll wheel. And I have told you that this wheel is used to move the page up and down. Okay, so it is a type of wheel placed between the left and right button of a mouse. Okay, now we will just study about the function of mouse button. Means what is the function of single click, What is the function of double click? What is the function of right click? Okay, we will study here now. So, what is the function of single click here? Single click selects an item on the screen. Means when you do single click, what happens? The icons or the items get selected. Okay. Next, double click. What happens when we do double click? It opens an item. And suppose if you have any icon, okay, on the computer screen, and you have the double click over there. So what happens? That icon will get activated or that icon will open. Clear? In case of single click, it selected, okay, and in case of double click, it opens. Third one, right click. It shows a list of commands on the monitor. Yes, when we do right click, okay, what happens? We are getting a list of commands associated with that icon. Suppose one icon is there. On that icon, I have done right click. So what happens? What are the actions? What are the actions we can do with that icon? Okay, we will get over there. Clear? So what happens in right click? We are getting a list of commands. Clear? Next. Scroll wheel. I have told you this one. It is used to move the page up and down. Okay? Children, now children, we will see how to do these things practically. Okay? Means how we will do the single click, how we will do the double click, and how we will do the right click on the monitor screen. Okay? So let's start.
So children, here I will explain you how to do single click, double click and right click. Okay. So children, can you see this icon whose name is this PC? Yes, the icon is there. Okay. So what happens when I will do single click here? When I'll do single click, what happens? The icon get selected. Okay, so when you are doing single click on any of the icon get selected. Okay, now what happens when you will do double click here? See, I am doing double click. Okay, what happens? The icon gets open, isn't it? So in single click the icon gets selected, in double click the icon opens. Okay, now right click. When you will do right click here, okay, see, we have got a list of command, isn't it? So when we are doing right click on a particular icon, we are getting a list of command. Okay, so I think you have understood how to do right click, double click and single click. Okay, okay students.
So, children, we have finished chapter number 5 here. In the next class, we will do the exercise part. Okay? So, till then, stay healthy, stay safe.